Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Nasa tuktok talaga kami ng Canadian Rockies.
Falls
Yun,
na yun, yung
no,
falls
13
na yun.
kilometers na.
Susunod na.
Woo, we made it to 13 kilometers.
Na tayo dun sa Kinili.
How many kilometers more?
Okay na, baba. Sige na, sige na.
Okay.
2 kilometers more?
Sana lang.
Ay, isa na lang. Sa to Emperor Falls. Kaya pa. Woo! Alright, nandito na kami. We're here at the second falls. It's called Falls of the Pool. Right over there. Beautiful. Wow. Woohoo! Amazing. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Beauty. Ang ganda. Grabe. Guys, amazing. Wow. Ganda. Yun, mga tungkod nila, mga hikers. Mga hikers.
Wala.
Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Nasa tuktok talaga kami ng Canadian Rockies.
We're almost there.
1 more kilometer to go.
Almost there.
So we passed the 2 falls, the White Falls, the Falls of the Pool, and the third one, the final one, is the Emperor Falls. But if we're going to Birds Lake, we can go too. But the goal is to reach the Emperor Falls.
I don't know if we can go back. Good on you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, enjoy.
Equally the same.
Which one?
Ang Bergs Lake tsaka ang Kenny.
Birds Lake is beautiful.
Marine Lake is like just so crowded.
How about the Birds Lake? It's nice too.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful way. Yeah. We should go there. Yeah. Guys, nandito na kami sa gilid ng Pangpang. Right on the steep here. Very steep. We passed already the falls of the pool. So this is going to Emperor Falls. It's kind of slippery and muddy here. This one here is more on rock, and the roots there you can see. Look at here. That's very, very steep, and that's dangerous. You know, don't go there. Whew. Just beside, yeah. Beautiful. Whew.
Thanks, guys. Have
Yeah.
a good night.
Hello. 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 How are you? Tired. Oh, worth the walk. Oh, yan. Wala na siyang backpack. Kinuha ko lang para maibsan yung pagod. Yan. Okay. Yan. More way to go. 1 kilometer. Very close. Grabe. Emperor Falls.
May bridge na.
Grabe, terik.
Pantay na.
Mount Robson. Tabunan ng ulap. Yan ang the highest mountain, the tallest mountain in the Canadian Rockies. Tallest peak.
Mount Robson Summit.
So we're very close. We're like, whew. Wow. This is, once in a lifetime in our life, once in a lifetime in our life. Yeah. Go.
No, I think that's it.
Whew.
No.
Liz.
No, it's more.
Ikot lang yan. Ikot lang yan, Reyna. Malapit na. Yan. Woo. Okay, videohan kita. Careful.
One person on
Okay, go.
One person lang, basahin mo.
Yes.
No, diyan ka lang.
Isa-isa lang to. Isa-isa.
Good. Hindi naman malalim. Oh, yan. Okay lang. Sige. One person on bridge.
Hoy guys, ang layo
Okay.
pa ah.
Good. Okay. Or one lang. Go. All right. Wow. This is kind of scary here. A little bit, but it's still solid wooden bridge. And it's not that high too. Well, you can see here, from here, that's the Emperor Falls there. We need to turn around more. Wow. 16 kilometers in all. Okay, nandito na kami.
But we're going to Burge Lake, so that's only 5 kilometers. Burge Lake is 5 kilometers.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Mamaya na. Kaya mo na konti na.
O sige, ito na yung pahinga.
Going to Emperor Falls. Malusong na. We're almost there to the falls. Alright. Let's gotta do this. Woo. Wow, that's beautiful, guys. Woo! 50 meters ahead more. Woo! Woo! We made it here. Guys. Wow, the best falls I ever seen. Wow. Grabe. Ang Emperor Falls. Maging Emperor talaga kami. Woo! Grabe. Woo! The best of the best in Canada. Look at that. Malayo ang Takakaw Falls. Walang masabi, walang sinabi yung Takakaw Falls nito, guys. Woo! Naka-feel ko na yung mist niya. Grabe. The best in Canada. If you're going to see a falls, come here at Emperor Falls. This is it. This is the Emperor. At yun that's the Mount Robson there, the highest, the tallest mountain in Canadian Rockies. Woo! Amazing. Wow. That's a massive. Wow. Woo! That's a massive falls, guys. Woo! Come here. Let's go. More. Woo! Woohoo! Grabe, ito. Kapitan natin ng konti. Guys. Woo! Wow! Wow! Woohoo! Yay! Made it here! Emperor Falls! Wow! Wow, the view! Wow! Woo! Wow! The highest mountain! Canadian Rockies! Woo! Woo!
We made
it! One, two, three. We made it to Emperor Falls! Woohoo!
There we go!
Wow.